Welcome to yet another episode of the Sportlight Spotlight, and today the spotlight is on the team owner of Kalista Kratos, Mrs. Payal Limbachia. Payal, thank you so much for joining us. First off, I just want to know what was your experience like in SPL 2026?
So SPL is growing day by day, and it is so amazing experience for Kalista Kratos and team also. We are very happy, and that's the reason we are part of it's been 3 years now. So we are enjoying a lot. When we saw that ground and we thought, oh, this is the bestest thing which is. And on the ground, when like the feel was like we are in the stadium.
Yeah.
The lights, the ground, even the pitch also very nice. सारी चीजें इतनी अच्छी इस बार हुई है तो हमको ऐसा है वी आर लाइक नाउ एक्साइटेड कि कब आएगा अभी एक साल नो नेक्स्ट ईयर नहीं अभी ऐसे 6-7 months में हो रहा है ऐसा सो लाइक SPL इज ग्रोइंग वेरी नाइस थैंक यू जो एफर्ट्स जो भी कमिटी कर रही है बट इट इज़ वेरी नाइस सो नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑल्सो आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं क्या करूँ जिसके कारण कुछ अलग हो कुछ बेटर हो एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस तो एक्सपीरियंस तो मैं देना चाहती हूँ it is amazing and next level experience this year.
But I would say it is because of commitment from team owners like you that we've been able to grow every year. You know, आप लोग का साथ रहा है, the support we've seen, and like you said, SPL has grown, and I feel you as a team owner and everything you're doing has also grown. So
thanks. Yes, and nowadays what is happening also मैं बताती हूँ कि जैसे we are team owners, right? फिर भी हमको ऐसे लगता है कि अगर मैं आउट हो गई तो किसी और टीम ओनर को दुख हो रहा है कि नो योर टीम वाज वेरी डिजर्विंग आपका यही सिर्फ थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक था तो वहाँ पे भी एक क्या होता है ना एक बॉन्ड क्रिएट हो गया जहाँ पे एक दूसरे के विनिंग के लिए प्रे हो रहा है इवन जब हमारा जो लास्ट गेम था तो मुझे इतने सारे फोन आए थे कि आप जीत जाना है आप बहुत अच्छी टीम है ऐसे मोटिवेट कर रहे दूसरे टीम के ओनर्स इवन प्लेयर्स इवन इन द लास्ट सेमीफाइनल एंड फाइनल टीम ओनर्स को चीयर करने आए थे क्योंकि वो भी हमको लगता है ये जीतना चाहिए और चीयर कर रहे हो ऐसा वाला एंड आई क्रॉस्ड माई फिंगर ऑल द मैचेस लाइक कि ये जीत जाए ये प्लेयर अच्छा खेले बिकॉज कोई ना कोई प्लेयर है जो लास्ट हमारे टीम में खेले थे अभी वो दूसरी टीम में तो ऐसा फील होता है कि नहीं ये तो हमारी ही टीम है ऐसे वो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्लेयर द वे वी बॉन्डेड विद देम तो वो अभी भी चालू है कि वो जीतना वो तो अच्छा स्कोर करना चाहिए जैसे शुभम है जैसे केटी है केतन ठाकर है तो वो हमारा एक ऐसे हो गया है कि हमको चाहिए ही चाहिए कि हमारी टीम में होने चाहिए बट अनफॉर्चुनेट हम सिर्फ 16 लोगों को ले सकते हैं.
And I think a big reason for the growth is team owners like you who've, been committed, have been supporting for so many years. I see you as a very passionate supporter, as someone who loves cricket, on the ground. What is it about the sport that means so much to you? Why is the sport so important?
I think everyone should play one sport in their life, and I'm not the one. So my husband, both the kids playing cricket. So and cricket is the game which is always near to your heart. Whenever you see with the emotion. So that's the reason is also like cricket. I'm a cricket lover since childhood because grandfather, father, brother, everyone they are still cricket lovers and they are seeing each and every whatever the tournaments are going on. If it is a test match also they are seeing that passionately. So that's inbuilt now. It's subconsciously also I started loving it.
और वही जोश और पूरा ग्राउंड पे भी लेकर आते हैं अपनी टीम के लिए सेम जोश.
So I'm not playing. That's why I have that energy where I can throw it out. So I'm cheering them the way it should be. So I'm the chairperson of my team.
And I do think your team is the loudest when it comes to your dugout. You will cheer for every ball, every moment, no matter what the score.
So we have an amazing team and they were playing super. I don't know what happened. We have a really I can't say that bad luck, but we lose the some on some point, मतलब कि जहाँ पे लग गया कि हम जीत रहे, where we
complacent हो
हाँ, तो इसीलिए otherwise we have a really excited an excitement, full of excitement matches you have
Yes,
seen it, and
yes.
we are witness of that like super over first time. So I don't know, but this time little bit we were unlucky.
Yeah, I think so. And but that's also sport, right? Sometimes you, despite giving it your best and despite so many things going well,
Yeah, we are like still a family. Though we lose or we win, we have a like a ritual that we follow, that whether we win or lose the match, we give the like courage, motivation to our player. So we are giving them something
Yeah.
in a token of appreciation that they played for us. So we give them medal, best
Yeah.
batsman, bowler, and fielder from our side.
Yeah.
So they can play with more motivation next time.
yeah, I think you're one of the few team owners that was so invested and so involved. And as you said, after every match, no matter what the result, you were giving out individual awards within your team, not depending on the result, not what was happening in the presentation ceremony. And I think that really built a very good bonding within your team.
So now it's become a family, and we always believe that we should invest in not only in the players, also with their family members. So this time we also made a t-shirt for them. We like हमने हमारी ही एक community बनाई थी Kalista Kratos की. So जहाँ पे जो आपने बोला dugouts was like very loud
Yeah.
dugouts because of that. So जहाँ पे players के parents आ रहे हैं, उनकी family बच्चे आ रहे हैं, they are cheering their father also.
Yeah.
आपने देखा होगा the first match when Hemang got his 60,
Yeah.
like 50 plus whatever, and his son was like very happy and cheering his father. So that is amazing moments which we lived that, and we are living with this, and this is how Kalista Kratos is.
Yeah, that I think some of the most memorable moments from this year that I would take involve your team, whether that was the Hemang and his son,
Yeah.
of course the super over, which was so crazy, and then of the final match as well with Quick Furnish, when it went
Yes.
down to the last ball. So a lot of memories, and I hope a lot of good memories for you and your team as well to take forward.
So we bonded such a way where we have a lots and lots of memory which we created and capture with the videos and everything. So last the person has told you, right, the push-up wala, and the Paji has done one of
Rajat
the
Jain's celebration.
celebration. So that's how, like, we have this kind of players in
Yeah.
our team. They are making so light, like always after some matches also some people invited to their home and with the family. So where we were sitting and discussing other than cricket also.
Yeah.
It is not only cricket where we discuss and we think that why you did this, what happened, why. So new game, new energy, new motivation, everything is new for the new game.
And I think your team personifies the community aspect of SPL so well. It's community building that you're doing at the end of the day. It's all these new connections that you're able to build, and that is something that we've been trying to do since we started SPL.
So BNI is all about it, where you do network, you do you create a new bonding, and it's a part of BNI as well. So we do we do activity like where people get bonded, and that's how we can get connected and generate a business. So it is not only for the year where we are playing, it is for the lifetime we create this. So the bond is like a phone away, a family member. We know so many people's family, like from the SPL 1 to now. So that's how we are planning to do that, and it is just an emotion. It is not just a strategy which we want to follow, but it is that whenever you are creating team, you give that comfort you give them that freedom, and like how they are, don't think about it, what they have done, don't think about it, just see that what they want to do it for you. So when you give some free hands and that kind of environment, they also get connected you, and they actually really appreciate and bond, appreciate, and they get along with you like your family.
Yeah, yeah. So of course, community is one aspect we've spoken about. The second is to be able to, you know, build businesses as well. Business and cricket goes together for SPL. So I would love for you to tell us a little bit about Kalista Beauty Head to Toe, which is what you do in your daily life.
So Kalista has been 17 years in Ahmedabad. We have a different branches, and now we have one branch is on Rajpath Rangoli Road, opposite to Epic Hospital, and we are serving all kind of services for all kind of people. Even we have part of many Gujarati films and aid films, and as well as models and actors are so trusting us blindly for their styling needs. So this is what Kalista is. Why Kalista is, you have to come and experience the services, so
Yeah.
you'll understand why Kalista.
And so as Kalista Beauty Head to Toe, you know, as a salon and spa, what are the services, if you could tell us, like from...
So in the name only we say it Kalista Beauty Head to
Yeah.
Toe. So we have a skin, hair and makeup services, as well as we have a nails as well. So you can experience your relaxation, you can pamper yourself. So we have a manicure, pedicures, we have a facials, we have a hydra facials, all hair treatments like highlights, rebonding, nanoplastia, everything, whatever you name it, we have it. Haircuts, it is for both, male and female both. So we have that as well.
And any special things that, you know, makes Kalista so unique, like that, the experience, as you said, and also the way to pamper herself. But what it is it that makes Kalista stand out from any other salon in the city?
So there are many salons, but some are good salon which they are chain salon. So whenever you go to a salon, there is no owner involvement. Okay, the employee is working, and that's how they serve our services. Here you know the owner, which is fully involved and technically sound. I did my diploma from City and Guilds London. It is not just done. Every time I am doing and I am attending workshop, and I am also diploma holder of L'Oreal Professional. So that's how, you know, I am keep learning and learning. So I have enough knowledge where I can guide you. Though if I am not doing your service also, I can guide you better. This is one thing which is not the other salon doesn't have.
Yeah.
This is the only thing I can say much, because see, in this industry, people have to keep learning and learning, and that's what we believe. And my staff also very technically sound, and I always, so BNI, again I learned one more thing from BNI, that you have to upgrade your employee as well, your team. So I keep sending them for the trainings, workshops and everything.
Yeah.
So that's how.
So I think as involved as a team owner you were with Kalista Kratos, that is the same ethos, work ethic that you have with Kalista Beauty Head to Toe as well. Like as an owner, you're very involved. As an owner,
you have must seen them on ground as well, because we have one relaxing zone at ground.
SPL,
So
yeah.
So they were there, and they were also very excited over there. The ma'am, कोई आ नहीं रहा है, क्या कर सकते हैं हम? बोला calm down, आएंगे लोग, करवाएंगे. Then whenever they are coming to, now they know my team as well.
Yeah.
So जो भी दूसरी team के लोग थे, they also know them, and they are coming with their names, and that's how. तो SPL also bonded us very good with other players also. मतलब player नहीं हम बोल सकते, team के साथ पूरा bonded किया है SPL ने. तो thank you very much for that. तो हम आई एम लाइक लिटरली थैंकफुल टू SPL.
And finally, I would love to know what are the hopes for SPL next year for your team.
होप नहीं होता है मेरा श्योर होता है. किसी के साथ बैठ के आप 10 मिनट बात करते हो एंड दे आर ऑल्सो सेइंग दैट यार आपकी टीम बहुत डिजर्विंग थी, दो आप नहीं जीते वो भी एक जीत है.
Well, thank you for your time.